the program here at DePaul really gave me what I wanted, the hands-on experience, the opportunities to learn. I think DePaul is an amazing program. The faculty members are really close-knit. They care a lot about their students. I never felt like I was one of a number of students in a big room. I felt like I could reach out to any of my professors with any concerns, whether or not that be academically, professionally, or personally related. In the HCI program, it's very project heavy, so we're able to work with a lot of different people, and because I was able to take a lot of my classes online or remotely, I was able to work with students from all across the world. I credit my career entirely to this program. I'm very proud of the work that I did here. When I was going through my master's program, I was also working full-time, and I actually asked if I could work on a user experience team, which kind of skyrocketed my career a little bit. I got to work with clients like Ecolab and Nike and with some really interesting educational programs. I'm so glad I went here, and I can't express what a great place it is.